Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jim, your 352 realtor. If you're new, really appreciate you being here. Again, I'm going to show you a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. I'm in the Village of Piedmont. I'm below 42, but I'm above 466 by a couple roundabouts. So this is a super clean house. I think you're really going to love this home. Someone really took care of this property, and this thing could be yours. That is an unbelievable price. We are under $300,000 here in this beautiful home. I can't wait to show you. But before I show you, hey, if this home doesn't do it for you, check out my website. It's homesforsaleinthevillages.com. Again, homesforsaleinthevillages.com. You'll definitely see us there. If you want to learn and you're new about the villages here, couple things, hit my blog. I think you're going to like that. I get a ton of good feedback. It is your352bubbleblog.com. Again, your352bubbleblog.com. Check out the articles. Make sure you get the ultimate home guide to the villages. You're going to love it. If you're new here, this is an unbelievable guide. It's a short one, and it has a lot of packed valuable information. So, with that being said, let's go inside. Heading up the driveway, it's concrete. Very nice landscaped. A lot of maintenance-free things here on the rocks. Heads right into a screen. Front lanai. Let's go. Again, how nice to be sitting out here in the morning coffee as you are on the west side of the home here. Let's go into the main house. I can't wait to show you. Yeah. Really nice. Come right into an open living room. Again, has simulated hardwood floors, which when you enter it has some tile. So great if it rains. Not everybody tracks in and stains in. Let's head to the kitchen. It's right in front of me. Again, all countertop bar here. You can sit 3 stools, no problem. Probably more granite countertops, stainless steel under sink, cabinetry, which is unique. I like it. Yeah, did a good job. Stainless steel appliances. You'll like, they look fairly new. Just pan around for you. Again, it gives a great perspective as you can cook, dine, and have a TV right in front of you, right here in the living room. Fan, how nice. I'm just gonna shuttle over into the dining room. Beautiful. Again, this home is under 300 grand. Can't pass this thing up. Let's go to the bedrooms. So we walk into this bedroom. Really nice. Right here on the front side of the home. Nice and bright, double windows. Let's go in there. I bet you that's a walk-in closet. Yep, sure is. Walk-in closet with the scuttle up above. It's all good here, and let's go right into the bathroom. Looks like tile on the floor, tile tub shower. Yeah, nice on the vanity, single sink vanity. Closet for you, nice linen closet, double doors. Let's go into the primary. As we head into the primary, nice big room for sure. This is on the back side of the house. Again, split bedrooms. There's bedrooms on opposite ends of the home here. I did say it's a 3-bedroom. I apologize. It is a 2-bedroom home here. This is your master bath. Nicely lit fan. Looks like Formica countertops. Either marble or tile. Get your walk-in shower, linen closet, plenty of room here. for a walk-in closet. That's pretty deep. That's got to be 10 feet deep, at least, in the walk-in closet. Let's head to the utility room. Again, just outside the primary, nice space. So utility room, storage space, cabinetry for your soaps and all that, washer dryer. You got your shock absorbers here. There is gas here too. So this home comes equipped with gas connections. That's out to the garage. We'll do that last. But before we do that, let's head to the Florida room. From the dining room, we walk into this Florida room with glass screens. They all slide, so you can open this up, which would be fantastic in the winter time to get some air. Nice little backyard with fence that all blends in. Let's head outside into the birdcage here. I think you're gonna like it. Yeah, how nice. It's gorgeous today. It's in the 80s here in the Villages, Florida. Yep, very, very nice. What a great day to be out here for sure. Nice patio, again, for grilling, sitting outside, plenty of space. Maybe even sun tanning if you want to do that. Looks like they gave you an arbor with flowers, almost like a little sanctuary here. Double arbors. Nice. Let's head into the garage. All right, heading into that two-car garage we saw. Yep, exactly. Oh, look at all the storage. Holy smokes. That is nice. Storage is incredible. The whole length of it. That's definitely uncommon. Your water shut off below those wires made it really accessible, which I'd love to see. HVAC unit was 2019. It was right in there. Hot water tank. That looks original to me. When it says Whirlpool, that screams 2002 or somewhere close to it. Let's look for the electrical. Yeah, you got 3 slots available in your 220 panel. Your irrigation, HVAC. I'll give you an update. I'm pretty sure that was 2019, but I'll verify. Oh, drop downstairs just above me. Check it out. It's already here for you. Very nice. Let's go for a wrap up, gang. Well, that's gonna wrap it up for this property. I hope you enjoyed our tour together. I know it was a quick one. Again, this is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. List price is $295 today. I'm at the address of 8273 Southeast 176 Lawson Loop. I am in the Village of Piedmont, which is a very nice village for sure. You can't miss this one. This is an amazing property. This has been on the market just about 32 days. It is priced absolutely correctly on the market today, and it is super clean. Like, someone really maintained this with all the amenities, whether you want screen in the front or you want screen in the back with patio and a Florida room on top of that. That can be used, it looks like an office today, that could be used for a great reading room, art room, craft room. It has all natural lighting that I know you will absolutely love. I am in a birch designer model home here in the Villages, Florida. So I hope you really enjoyed it. It's pretty amazing property here. If you have any questions on the property, reach out to me or drop a comment down below. As always, we always want you to subscribe just so we can keep these videos going for you. We love doing them. We hope you do too. So if you like this video, you like this home, or you want to see other homes on my website, as I mentioned at the top of the video, again, that address is homesforsaleinthevillages.com. It is all one word. You can't miss it. You'll definitely see my face right in the search field. You can put the Villages, hit search, and it will come up, or you can hit the box below based on where you want to be and around the town square, which is a nice way to search as well. So again, my pleasure bringing it to you. If you have any questions, again, I'm open for questions. If you have any suggestions, I would love to hear those too. Let's not be shy. I know I have an aggressive, thoughtful, kind audience out there. Let's keep that going and tell me what you want to see. I'll absolutely cover it in one of these videos, or make a totally separate video if it warrants that as well. So I want to hear from you. Please put it down below for sure. Anyways, my name is Jim. I am your 352 realtor. And if your realtor doesn't have a horseshoe, they're probably not for you. I'll see you on the next one.